Hi everyone, it's Sean and Julie from Chicory's Travels, and today we're going to talk about a campground we stayed at when we went up to Grande, Oregon, which is in the northeast corner of Oregon off of I-84 to tour the Northwood Manufacturing facility to see how our Arctic fox was made.
And the place that we stayed at was called the Grand Hot Springs RV Resort. And this was a fabulous campground. So stay tuned. We're going to tell you all about it. We're going to tell you about our very favorite part, which was probably our favorite part of any campground we've ever stayed at, and some other things to do in the local area if you're not going just for the Northwood tour. The resort has 100 full hookup, 90-foot long pull through gravel sites. Only 35 of them are 50 amp, and the other 65 are 30 amp.
They also have a tent camping area as well as some yurts that you can stay at if you don't have an RV but are in the area.
And then there's some neat amenities around the campground, like there's a catch and release fishing area that you can do right off of this really cute bridge. And then they have a small playground area if you have children with you. But our favorite thing was
They have this awesome hot spring pool and hot tub, and the hot tub was really hot. And we actually met and talked to several people there, and we spent a lot of time in this hot tub. It makes your skin feel like smooth as a baby's bottom.
and the area is just so pretty. We were there in the spring, and as you can see, it is nestled in these little foothills. And there were just a lot of wildflowers in the area. And right across the street from the resort was a wildlife refuge with a lot of different birds. And I loved watching all the little baby ducks.
Close to the campground also is the National Historic Oregon Trail Interpretive Center. And this is a really cool museum that is on the Oregon Trail. They have a lot of exhibits as well as a really good movie. Our favorite part, though, was outside on the walking paths. You can actually see the ruts in the ground from the travels from people heading out west. And they also had the covered wagons like they were originally, and it's just really cool to go and see those.
So if you're ever in the area, we highly recommend a visit to this RV resort.